You can't eat apples right off the tree. You should wash them first, but we package apples in order to put them into consumer packages and to protect them. So we take them out of a bin, we put them in a cardboard box, and that gives them some protection for transportation. We have between 20 and 25 varieties of apples. We have McIntosh, Ida Red, Honeycrisp, Ambrosia, Gala, Crispin, and Golden, some of the varieties that we handle here. So we do about 5 different indices on the fruit to take a look at them and then determine from that when to pick. So we have a lot of samples come in prior to harvest, and then we determine from them when the best time to pick the fruit is so that it eats well for the consumer and will store well. We use water to transport apples to make it easy. It's gentle on the fruit. So in doing that, we take the natural bloom or wax off of an apple, and then we need to replace that. So when we wash them, we polish them, we put a wax back on them to protect them, to prevent desiccation in the stores and give them longer shelf life. We use technology today quite extensively on the line. So as the apples come over the sorter, it knows where it is on it. It measures it by weight, it measures it by optics, by size, measures the color on the fruit, so how red it is or how yellow it is, and it also takes a look at it and determines if it has defects or it doesn't have defects, and then sorts them according to that and puts them where we allocate it, either for fruit to be sorted to process or fruit to be sorted to the fresh market to go into a bag or a tray. Mostly working with scales is pretty simple. I mean, we've weighed apples since the early 1900s, but the technology today uses color cameras and infrared cameras. It takes about 20 pictures per fruit and then evaluates those pictures against a color standard or a defect standard. So it takes all of those pictures as it rolls the fruit underneath the camera, and then from there it sorts the fruit into the parameters that you're looking for. Apples are packed into cardboard boxes to protect them. So it allows us to protect them. It also gives us a facility to put a marking on the fruit to know where what variety it is and where it came from and what size it is. We also today put a marking on the side of the box with a barcode that identifies the farm that it came from and the date it was packed, so that we're able to provide traceability as to where we received the fruit from and where we send it to. The key to making them stay fresh is to pick them at the right time, and then we put them into storage rooms where we control the atmosphere. An apple breathes carbon dioxide out and oxygen in. So we reduce the oxygen level in a room to suppress the respiration of the fruit, basically put them to sleep, and then to keep them that way until we're ready to pack them. And then we would put oxygen back in the room by just putting air in it, bring the apples back awake, and then we pack them and send them to the grocery store.